Welcome back to my channel, Techno Trend Zone. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of drones, and the much-anticipated DJI Air 4 is at the center of our discussion. DJI's Air series has consistently balanced portability, performance, and price, making it a top choice for drone enthusiasts. With leaks and rumors swirling about the DJI Air 4, expectations are sky-high. Will this drone revolutionize the market or simply be a minor upgrade? Let's explore what we know so far, covering possible improvements, major concerns, and whether it's worth the wait. Leaks and rumors. Where do they come from? Drone leaks usually surface from industry insiders, beta testers, or even accidental product listings. When it comes to DJI, one of the most reliable sources is Jasper Ellens, a well-known name in the drone community. Alongside him, platforms like Quadro News frequently provide early glimpses of DJI's upcoming releases. While nothing is confirmed until an official announcement, past leaks have often been remarkably accurate. So while we take these rumors with a grain of salt, they still provide an exciting preview of what's to come. Refined design and build quality. From what's been seen in leaked images, DJI is maintaining the Air series' signature compact and foldable design, which has been key to its popularity. However, some subtle but crucial refinements are evident. The body appears sleeker, potentially making it more aerodynamic. This could result in improved flight efficiency and better handling in windy conditions. Another significant change is the rumored enhanced durability of the arms. If true, this could improve overall stability, particularly for those flying in challenging environments. One concern, though, is whether these design tweaks might add weight, potentially affecting portability. However, given DJI's history of prioritizing travel friendliness in the Air series, any weight increase would likely be minimal. Some reports also suggest that the Air may share design elements with the Mavic 4, hinting at a more premium, professional appearance. If so, could this mean a step closer to Mavic-level performance? That remains to be seen. Enhanced camera system. Perhaps the most exciting speculation revolves around the DJI Air 4's camera. The Air 3 introduced a dual camera setup, and leaks suggest that DJI might take this further with larger 1-inch sensors for both its wide-angle and telephoto cameras. If true, this would represent a significant leap in image quality, particularly for low-light performance. Larger sensors capture more detail, reduce noise, and improve dynamic range. Essential features for photographers and videographers who demand high-quality footage. Additionally, rumors suggest that the Air 4 might include a variable aperture, allowing for better control over exposure in different lighting conditions. This would be especially useful for creating cinematic shots during sunrise and sunset. Another rumored addition is a mechanical shutter, which helps eliminate rolling shutter distortion when capturing fast-moving subjects. This feature is usually reserved for high-end drones, so its inclusion in the Air series would be a substantial upgrade. However, with these enhancements come concerns about cost. Advanced features tend to push prices higher, and if DJI invests heavily in camera technology, the Air 4's price tag might inch closer to that of high-end models like the Mavic series. This could make buyers reconsider whether the upgrade is truly necessary or if the Air 3 remains a more budget-friendly option. Flight performance and intelligent features. A great drone isn't just about the camera. It also needs to offer exceptional flight performance. The Air 3 is already impressed with its stability and obstacle avoidance features, but the Air 4 could take things even further. Leaks indicate that DJI may be moving away from multiple wide-angle sensors in favor of a more advanced LiDAR-based system. If accurate, this could enhance obstacle detection, making navigation more precise, especially in low-light environments. This is fantastic news for drone operators who frequently fly in complex conditions where precise obstacle detection is crucial. Additionally, we can expect refinements in AI-powered tracking features. Active track and return to home are likely to become even more advanced, making the drone easier to control and safer to fly. Another anticipated improvement is an enhanced transmission range and signal stability. DJI's OcuSync technology has evolved with each generation, and the Air 4 could benefit from a stronger, more reliable connection. Battery life. Longer flights ahead? The DJI Air 3 is already impressed with a 46-minute flight time, providing pilots ample time to capture stunning aerial footage. However, leaks suggest that the Air 4 might push this even further, potentially reaching up to 50 minutes. If accurate, this would be a significant upgrade for aerial photographers and videographers who rely on longer flights to get the perfect shot. Another crucial question is whether DJI will introduce a new battery system. If the Air 4 requires a different, more expensive battery, existing Air 3 users considering an upgrade might hesitate. Having to invest in new accessories can be costly, especially since extra batteries are a must for long shooting days. Backward compatibility with Air 3 batteries would be ideal, but if DJI opts for a new design, users will have to weigh the benefits against the additional costs. Release date and pricing predictions. When can we expect the DJI Air 4 to hit the market? DJI typically follows a 2-year release cycle, so a late 2025 launch seems likely. The leak suggests that the drone is well into development, which aligns with this timeline. Pricing is another big question. The Air 3 launched at $1,099, positioning it as a strong mid-range option. However, if DJI adds significant upgrades such as a larger sensor, LiDAR-based obstacle avoidance, and extended battery life, the price could rise to around $1,200 or more. This would push it closer to high-end drone territory, making buyers question whether they should stick with the Air series or invest in a Mavic instead. Final thoughts. Is the DJI Air 4 worth the wait? The DJI Air 4 is shaping up to be an exciting upgrade, with leaks hinting at significant improvements in camera performance, flight efficiency, and safety. A larger sensor could mean better low-light shots, making it an attractive option for photographers and videographers. Improved obstacle avoidance might make flying smoother and safer, giving users more confidence in tricky environments. And if the rumored battery life extension holds up, longer flights without frequent swaps would be a huge win. For now, all we can do is wait and see. Air 3 owners might question whether these enhancements justify an upgrade, while newcomers might be hoping for a solid mid-range option that doesn't break the bank. One thing's for sure, the anticipation is growing, and all eyes are on DJI's next move.